Beginner Level Unit 3. Directly modifying with descriptive verbs. When the last syllable of the stem ends in a vowel, add ni은. 싸다, to be cheap. 빠르다, to be fast. Here's how you conjugate. 싸다, 싸, 싼. 빠르다, 빠르, 빠른. Example sentences. 싼 것이 있어요? Do you have anything cheap? 저는 빠른 차를 좋아해요. I like fast cars. Since 하다 stems ends in a vowel, add 니은. 조용하다, to be quiet. 착하다, to be kind. Here's how you conjugate. 조용하다, 조용하, 조용한. 착하다, 착하, 착한. Example sentences. 조용한 방이 있어요? Do you have any quiet rooms? 착한 친구가 필요해요. I need a kind friend. When the last syllable of the stem ends in a consonant, add 은. 많다, to be many. 작다, to be small. Here's how you conjugate. 많다, 만, 많은. 작다, 작, 작은. Example sentences. 거리에 많은 주차 장소가 있어요. There's a lot of parking space on the street. 나는 작은 애완견을 정말 좋아해요. I really like a small pet.